In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet in the back loop. So when you use both of these strands it's considered one stitch. So if I was to apply underneath, that is one stitch. So because it's consisting of two strands, if I use the strand closest to me, that is considered the front loop. And if I use the other one, which is away from me, that's considered the back loop. Look how I'm accessing it differently. So if I want the front loop, I go in the underside and over, and then from the back loop I go down through the middle and out. To do the half double crochet, you're going to chain 2 as normal, but in the same stitch you want to access the back loop only. So wrapping the hook and diving in between and only getting that one strand, and then half double crochet as normal. And this creates a ridge. So just going in. Once you start seeing where to go, it gets really quite easy. You see there's a lot in cuffs and a lot of different things, mittens. It creates a really unique look. It almost gives the project a bit of elasticity by doing this, and it's actually really quite fabulous. So this is how you half double crochet in the back loop.